Hello students, in the under the modern e-learning program, in the second video of economics, poverty as a challenge. Now we are going to discuss about social exclusion. Social exclusion means सामाजिक बहिष्कार. Try to consider. Have you seen our Musahri is always present in the outer skirt of village? Present or not? Yes. That is social exclusion. Chamartoli is separate from the village. Why? Means they have to live in a certain area or in certain surroundings. They are bonded to live among the poor because they are poor. Are because they are poor. They are bonded to live in a certain poor persons. Means they are habituated to live in poor circumstance, poor surrounding. Here they are bonded to live in out place of equality. Means I want to say actually the other society are enjoying equal rights, equal opportunities, equal circumstance and each and everything. But they are bonded to live in certain place, in certain circumstance. They can't say about equal opportunity, equal job opportunity, equal education and something else. Here in spite of it, we can say social exclusion is the cause of poverty as well as social exclusion is consequences of poverty. इसका कारण भी है और इसका परिणाम भी है. पॉवर्टी के कारण वो गरीब है और गरीब के कारण गरीबी है. Both consequences as well as cause are social exclusion. It is cause. Social exclusion is the cause of poverty and result of social exclusion is poverty. Karan and Parinam, both are poverty. Both are social exclusion for the poverty. So we have need to remove it first. And next we can say they are bonded to live or not to say about the facilities, about the benefits, about the opportunities. No, they can't ask equal opportunity, they can't ask equal advantage, they can't ask equal facilities. So in this way we can say social exclusion can more damage than the low income, because if a person, if a group are living in so good circumstance, they can manage their family in a spite of low income. But if they are social exclusion, if they are living in outskirt at the time of flood, at the time of other disaster, they can't protect themselves. Due to it, we can say the social exclusion can more damage than the low income. Now we are saying about the vulnerability. Actually, some type of sections are present in our society that right may be violated easily. To do such is known as vulnerability. It is a measuring unit for poverty, because without assets, without education, without health facilities, without job opportunities, vulnerability can come easily in a section. At the time of disaster, at the time of terrorism, we are finding such type of section due to vulnerability. A section can enjoy, can suffer under the more damage, like as such type of vulnerability is found in Dalit, SC, ST, as well as something else. Next.